Hi all, this is Nareen from Learn Digital Academy, and in this video we are going to understand about Search Console topic. And as we already gone through SEO on page, off page, what is SEO, how it works, how we can create backlinks and all, how to connect website to Search Console. So let's understand the Search Console. Search Console is a tool. Through that tool we can understand the performance of website and keywords and some more things about the website only. So that's all thing we are going to understand here. So as right now I'm in the Search Console. And in the Search Console, we'll talk about a website. I have already connected my website over here. You can see narendra.com here. Alright, so let's start from the first topic, that is overview. And in this one overview, you find out that first of all, when you connect your website to your Search Console, it will take 2-3 days and then it will start showing the data. So once it starts showing the data, you can see all the information about your website, all the keywords information, all the backlink information, sitemap, robo.txt. So all the information, it will be over here. Let's start from the overview. Overview just shows website overview. It means how many people are coming to your website in last 30 days default. And it shows some errors, whatever you have it, mobile friendly pages, all these options. But we are not going to understand through overview. We will start the options from performance tab in Search Console. Let's see this tab first. As it says performance, so it will show the website performance, how the website is performing on search engine results on Google. So let's see, when you click on this one, it will show first 3 months data and web traffic. We will not see 3 month data, we will see 28 days data. Let's click on this and apply. Alright, so on the web and last 28 days, what is happening? So you can see some of the pages which are ranking. I got 643 clicks and 20,000 impressions. Impression means how many times my website appeared, means any of the page of my website appeared on google.com. So it's 20,000 times appeared and 643 people clicked on my website in the last 28 days. What is the average CTR? Means how many times it appeared and how many people are clicking on this. So ratio between total number of clicks and total number of impressions, that we call CTR. So 3.2, that is, and then average position of each keyword. So the thing is, some keyword is ranking on second position, some keyword are ranking on 9th position, some keyword are ranking on second, third pages. So it's just showing a combination of all the keywords, that is average position, that is 15. So just a basic information about our website, means number of clicks, number of impressions, CTR, average positions, and this information last updated was 6 hours ago. So this is the fresh data, we have it over here, and the graph also you can see about your website. Now let's scroll down and see more information. Okay, so now here I can see queries. Queries means keywords. So how many keywords are ranking of your website in google.com? So you can see, first of all, I can see SAP course in Bangalore. So this keyword, if you type it in Google, as people are typing it, 71 people clicked on, after searching this keyword, my website came and 71 people clicked on my website. And how many times website appeared? 1788 times website appeared, but only 71 people clicked on my website. So the thing is, less number of people are clicking on this one. Number of times is very higher over here, 1700 times, but still only 71 people clicked it. So it's not like every time when people search your keyword, they will click on your website. Even if it is ranking on the first position, second position, third position, people will not click 100% time. Very rarely people will click it. But if you type this keyword, SAP course in Bangalore, on which position your website is coming up? If you want to see the position also, you have to scroll up first and you can click on average position here. Then again scroll down. Now you can see, if you type the SAP course in Bangalore, this on this keyword a page will come up, and it will come up on 4.9th locations. So it will show the average ranking of 28 days, last 28 days. But if you check it right now, live data, it will be somehow different. 4.9 is around 5th position. But let's see, let's type in Google where it comes up. Okay, so let's see the results. First website, Training Pro. Second website, Inverted, third website, narendra.com. So it's ranking on the 3rd position, but it's showing me 5th position. So it's just the average position, so you have to click it right on this keyword and you have to see the live position. But generally it shows the average position, and around the same position, means maybe it's showing 5, it will be ranking on 4th or 3rd. That's it. So average position, it can show it over here. SAP Training in Bangalore, on this keyword 4.8 position. Best SAP Training Institute in Bangalore, on this 2.9 position. So maybe it's ranking on first location or second location, but it says 2.9 means third location. So that's number of impression, that's number of clicks from this keyword. I'm getting 22 users from this keyword, 26 from this keyword, 71 people are clicking on my website. So these are just number of keywords. On all keywords your website is ranking. But if you want to see one more thing, like for example, if people will type this keyword, which page of my website will rank in Google? Because I have multiple pages of SAP. So now I want to see which page is ranking if I type this keyword. So if you want to see if you type this keyword, which page, select this keyword first. I have selected this keyword. Now you can see that this keyword is selected. Fine. Again scroll down. If you have selected the keyword, you can see the selected keyword over here. Then click on the page. Fine. You can find out for this keyword, this page is ranking over here. This is the exact page. And on this page, we have seen the data, 71 clicks, impression 1700, and position is this. So yes, you can see the ranking also. Which keyword, which page is ranking. Again, you can close it. Alright. Scroll down. As you can see queries, all the queries, which page is ranking. So I can see the queries, number of keywords which is ranking. Just select this one and select 100. Results I want it over here. So you will find out some more keywords like over here, digital marketing companies with Apple. It's ranking on 3.2 position. And impression is 368, means 368 times my website appeared. One of my page of my website appeared in Google 368 times and 5 members clicked on this one. Alright. So these are the keywords you will find out over here in this one. Fine. Now let's click on the pages. Directly you can click on the pages. Now you will find out that some pages which is ranking mostly at the top location, you can see the all pages over here. So best SAP training institute, digital marketing training in the Apple, 10 best school in the Apple, something like this. These are all pages ranking in Google. You can see the rank. 571 clicks I got it from this one, 45 from this one, 21 from this one. Impression is 51,000 for this page. Means 15,000 times this page appeared in Google in last 28 days. So the impression you can see it here. Position you can see it here. Let's see for this keyword I want to know that, like digital marketing companies Apple, that how many keywords this page is ranking. So let's select this page. So page has been selected. And this time we will click on keywords. Page already selected, you can see the page. Click on queries. Fine. So if you want to see this page in Google, what are the keywords you need to type in Google? So digital marketing companies with Apple. If you type this keyword, definitely this page will come up. And it will rank on 3.2 location, means around 2 location or 2 position. Impression 368 clicks, 5 I have received it. Best digital marketing companies, digital marketing with Apple, something like this. So all the keywords for this particular page are ranking on different positions. And also from these keywords I'm getting the clicks, number of clicks over here. So both the things you can find out over here. Either you want to find out how many keywords are ranking on which page, and for you can see that one page and you can find out the keyword for the page also. So you don't need to type in Google again and again. Directly all the information you can see in same one search console. Now let's go to third option, countries. So which country I'm getting more traffic? India, yes, 15,000. United States only 775. Canada very less, again very less country. Maybe your website is not ranking over there, but the thing is some people over there, they are typing your keywords like digital marketing companies with Apple, SAP course in Bangalore. So they type it and they get your pages. So it means they are typing on that locations. So definitely it will show United location, that particular country is getting the traffic over there. Yes. Then devices. Mobile device, desktop device, you can see on which device more impressions are coming up. On mobile device 10,000 impression, on desktop device 9,000 only, means around equal. But here you will see one difference. Mobile device position is 8.3, desktop device 22. It means my website, my particular pages are best for mobile, not for desktop. That's why it's not ranking on desktop. So you have to work for desktop layout also for your pages, and then find out which page is ranking on Google. You can select mobile device also, and after selecting mobile device you can select pages. Let's go to pages now. Fine. So I want to see mobile, which are the mobile friendly pages. So these all are mobile friendly pages. We have it here. All mobile friendly pages you can see in one line like this. So this tab, this first tab, performance tab, will show the performance of the website. It will show queries, pages. These are very important topics. Then countries, device, search appearance means Google, date, you can see it in this one. So these are important data of Search Console in performance tab. And if you want to download this data, you can export it and you can export in PDF file. Easily you can download it. You can change the date from here, 7 days data. You can find out recent data, yesterday's data, past 6 months. You can compare also, like what happened in last 3 months and this 3 months. What is the difference between the SEO ranking? So that also you can do it, last 3 months to 3 months and this 3 months. You can check it out. Alright, so now we will see other options like URL inspection, coverage, sitemap, removal, and some enhancement option, site links, backlinks, settings. All these options we are going to understand in next videos. So these are just performance of the website. That's why I explained you over here. This is very important topic. Now let's see the next option in next videos. Thanks for watching this video.